35. Salento Valley, Colombia. Salento is a small town in Colombia's coffee region, surrounded by green hills and peaceful scenery. Just outside the town, the Cocora Valley is the most popular attraction, known for its tall Guindio wax palms, which are Colombia's national tree and the tallest palm species in the world. As you walk through the valley, the green hills stretch into the distance, and the palms rise high above the trails. Along the trail, the Asaime Hummingbird Sanctuary offers a quiet stop where you can watch colorful hummingbirds flutter nearby. The town center gives you a closer look at daily life in Salento, lined with white colonial-style buildings decorated with bright wooden balconies and doors. Calle Real, the main street, is the best place to experience the friendly atmosphere of the town. At the end of the street, stairs lead up to Mirador Alto de la Cruz, where you can see Salento's red roofs and the mountains surrounding it. Outside the main streets, Salento's hills are covered with coffee farms known as fincas. Many families have been growing coffee here for generations. Places like Finca El Ocaso and Finca Don Elias welcomes you to learn how coffee is made from start to finish. You can also take part in a traditional Colombian game called Tejo. It's a lively sport where you throw a metal disc at a clay target filled with small gunpowder packets. Local places like Cancha de Tejo, Los Amigos often host friendly games where laughter and cheers fill the space.